Okay, so we're going to do number one. We're going to do this alphabetical order for all 5 words. So when you look at number one below in this daily language review, you're actually going to drag every word into alphabetical order. Okay, so notice too that, look at the first word, of course, but notice 3 of them start with the first word. So that'll help because 2 of them don't, of course. But on those 3 words that start with the same letter, I think I was saying word, the same letter, that's not going to help you. So you're going to have to go to the next letter. So keep that in mind when you place these in alphabetical order. Okay, look at number 2. It says, where is someone who is saying the following? Where would you be if you heard these words? Even if you haven't ever been to one of these, you can still figure it out by using context clues, using the words that are in the sentence. Look at number 3. 3 and 4, correct these sentences. These are the big ones, right? So if you look at number 3, I'm going to point something out. I want to make it a better color. I want to point out we've got a speech tag. Now, a speech tag is telling us who's talking. So when we have a speech tag, we have to have quotations around whatever that person said. Now, I want to point something out today. This is one of the rules that drives me crazy. Now, it says explain Tito, so we know Tito has said something. Now, I will tell you, if whatever this person said ends in a period, in this case, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm just going to show you what you got to have. Instead of putting a period when it's inside quotations, you actually put a comma. Okay, so I'm putting that comma there for you. That's one of those weird rules. Like if it was a question, if Tito asked a question, then you would put a question mark. If he exclaimed something and said, hey, that tree's falling, you would put an exclamation mark. But because it's just a regular statement, you put a comma there. I don't know why, and I apologize for such a dumb rule, but I didn't make it up. Okay, number 4, is Miss Bishop's Sunday school class gonna sing Jingle Bells? Okay, we got some just basic stuff here. You got to know what to capitalize, in punctuation. Words that we say in casual conversation that are not actually correct words when we actually write. So be aware of that. And then number 5, I love these. It says, what part of speech is underlined? Noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? Well, you got to know what those are because they've underlined quickly in the sentence. Come home quickly after school so grandma can see you before she leaves. Well, you have to know what a noun is in order to figure out if this is a noun. Okay, and you've got to know what a verb, an adjective, and adverb is. So let's go through that. What is a noun? Well, a noun is, see if I'm typing what you think a noun is. Make it a little bit bigger. A noun is okay, we know what a noun is. Now what's a verb? Now what is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun. So what is an adverb? There you go. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action or what the subject is, because sometimes in sentences there isn't an action. Like if I said, Annie is nice. There's no action there. The verb would be is. It's kind of weird, I know. adjective, those describe nouns, like the crystal clear lake. Crystal and clear describe the lake. They're words that describe a noun. And lake is a noun because it's a thing. So crystal and clear are describing it. And an adverb describes a verb. So, so if I said this sentence, he ran quickly home. He quickly ran home. Let's say that. He quickly ran home. Well, how did he run? Quickly. So that would be the word that's describing the verb, because run is the action, which is the verb, and an adverb describes the verb. So if you look at this, in the word adverb, you see the word verb. I'm underlining that now. An adverb describes a verb. Okay.